Good morning. Welcome back to another Designer's Den. Today we're going to talk about how to spend your Christmas cash, whether you got money for the holidays or even an AFW gift card. We're going to go over some ways you can refresh your space with the money that you have.
Yeah, it's always fun. You know, I love getting gift cards and cash at Christmas. I always keep an eye on a few things. So I think we've got some good things to show everyone this morning on different ways you can do it.
Yes.
What are we going to start with today?
So we're going to start with this special purchase sofa chaise from Ashley Furniture.
Yeah.
And we have been getting a ton of special purchases in recently at the end of the year. So it's a really great time to come in and look for those deals and sense of urgency.
Right. I think what's great about AFW is we have vendors that contact us with special deals, and we pass those savings on. So we've got some great buys, you know, that you're looking for in that clearance time of year.
Yeah.
So this is one of my favorite little pieces, sectionals to use, because it does some fun things. And I love this feature because this is reversible. So you can actually, it's a great color, it's a stone color, it's reversible. So maybe I'm going to put it in one space now. Down the road, I can flip it the other way if I need to.
Right.
Super comfy, nice for a small space. And I love that you have a little accent chair. Now, what if you're just looking to freshen up a space?
So should we go over to dining and see
Yeah,
how
let's
we do
do
that?
that. Let's
Okay.
do that. Let's go over to dining. We've got some ideas there for you.
Okay, let's go.
Awesome. All right, let's talk dining spaces now.
Okay.
So through the holidays, and I'm thinking, oh, what do I wish that I had when I was entertaining? This is a great collection. This is the Kauai collection from Intercon. And this is your counter height dining table. So what I love about this particular collection is that finish and the lines of it.
I love the finish. It's a
Yeah.
really dry type finish, but it has a lot of movement in the top.
Right, it really does. And this is shown with the leaf. So this actually can shrink down for a smaller space, maybe a little gaming area. It also has a great little serving piece that you have. Now, let's say you didn't get a ton of Christmas cash and you just want to recharge your space, refresh it. This is great because I can take a look like this and maybe I just want to refresh it with a completely different accent bar stool like this. This is in a it's a faux leather. Again, nice clean lines, really easy to care for and great looking. So
And it changes the whole look
It really does.
of this table
Yeah.
when you switch out that chair.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Transform, I love it.
Yep.
It just really pops, makes the space pop. Let's shift over to this dining table space, the regular height, and talk about that a little bit.
Okay. So what I really liked about what you did changing out just the stool to transform the space, we can do the same concept here and just change out the two end chairs on either side and do a pop of color.
Yeah, and it really softens it. Yeah, that looks great. I love it. I could see where two of those would really add color and dimension to this particular space.
And it even softens the look
Yeah.
too of all this, the wood material going on.
Yeah.
And this rug in particular has some of this teal color in it. So it's a great way to coordinate.
Yeah. You know, talking about rugs, you know, that's another way to really recharge and refresh a space. Maybe you're looking for that brightening up a space. You know, a rug can really do that in almost any room in your home.
Yeah, very true.
Awesome. Well, that's fun. I think we've got one more look for you. So let's head to bedrooms.
Okay, let's go. All right, we're in the bedroom.
Yes. Beautiful bedroom.
Yes. So I think one of the quickest and easiest ways to transform a bedroom is to keep your existing case pieces. So your nightstands, your dresser, if you have a chest, and replace the bed with this gorgeous upholstered bed.
I love this upholstered bed. And it's so versatile too. Like
Yes.
we have it here with the Caldwell bedroom from Pulaski, but I can use this bedroom in a lot of different styles. And it really does, like you say, just transform the whole room.
It does.
Yeah.
And kind of like how we talked about the fabric chairs soften the look of the dining table.
Right.
This for sure will soften the look of your bedroom.
Yeah, and it's a great value. It really is a great value.
Yeah, it's $598 for a king size.
That's
I mean,
crazy.
that's crazy.
That is, yeah. That's awesome. So that's just one thing you can do. You know, what we've done here is we kind of have, maybe you want a little reading space. You need a nice little reading chair to put in that space. You know, that really dresses up a bedroom. I love this Samira tribal rug. Great colors. And we've pulled all those nice stone color out of the chair, out of the bed, and added some pattern and color in the navy.
Yeah, I love the color coordination in this space.
Yeah.
And even this lamp base with the creamy color really, again, ties in with the rug.
Yeah, and it's a great shape, you know. And if you are looking for, you know, to spend your Christmas cash, these are just a couple of the ideas. But, you know, we also have great home decor areas. And home decor, you know, new wall accents, tabletop, those things can all really brighten up and change an entire space and put that Christmas cash really to good use for you.
Yes, even accent pillows too.
Oh, yeah.
Like easily change out pillows on your sofa.
Yeah.
Really simple way to change out the look.
Yeah, lots of fun.
Yep.
Lots of great ways to spend your Christmas cash here at AFW. All right, well, it's been fun. It's always a great time. Enjoyed spending time talking about those three spaces.
Yep.
You know, everything you've seen here and so much more, you can find at afw.com and shop one of our stores.
I guess we'll see you guys next year.
That's awesome. Bye now.
Okay, bye.